Hi, I'm Jaden Williams with Deer Creek Arms. We're dedicated to building quality products designed to make your shooting experience safer, more comfortable, and more effective. It's been a while since we put out a video, but today we're excited to give you a little shop update and to give you a rundown of our lineup of StealthBlast Sound Mitigation Devices, our 3 unique models designed to redirect, blast and sound, reduce concussion, and improve control. Our SMDs are designed to send blast and concussion downrange, away from the shooter and those nearby. That means reduced noise at the firing line, less disruptive concussion, and improved focus for faster follow-up shots and longer range sessions. First up, our standard StealthBlast SMD, the workhorse of our lineup and the most effective. This is the second version, compared here to the V1. There were some design compromises that had to be made in the V1 to streamline manufacturing because at the time I was making these by hand on manual machines. The V2 is what these were always supposed to be. Another big change between the V1 and the V2 is the surface treatment. The V1 had a myriad of coatings, and we tried a little bit of everything, from black oxide coatings to parkerizing to ceramic paints. These days, we exclusively nitride these parts. This finish offers superior hardness, wear resistance, and corrosion protection, making it ideal for real-world use in all conditions. They can be left with this sort of battleship gray, or with just a touch of your favorite gun oil, you can darken them right up. If you've got a painted firearm and you want your SMD to match, nitride surfaces do accept paints like Cerakote or DIY options like Alumahide and Durcoat. We've had a lot of positive feedback about the standard SMD, but the customers who have been the most pleased have been AR shooters, especially those with shorter barrels, high volume shooters, and hunters, and particularly varmint hunters. The general rule of thumb is that the bigger or faster the bullet, the more effective the standard SMD becomes. So if you're shooting the PRC family of cartridges, 22-250, 300 Win Mag, these faster screaming rounds, you might really want to consider one of these. We've had a lot of varmint hunters buy these for their buddies. Next up is the flash hider base SMD. It is less effective than the standard, given the geometry is not ideal for redirecting gases and creating dwell time, but this model allows a user to shoot without the cup installed, without getting beat up by a muzzle brake. In the case of most of our users, once the assembly is installed, it doesn't come apart except to clean, but if you think you'll ever want to do some shooting without the cup, this may be the model for you. The newest addition to the lineup, the pistol SMD. Built light and compact, it delivers the same blast-forward redirection in a size designed specifically for pistols. Because most pistols are blowback operated, weight is a real issue, and so a great deal of care has been taken in maximizing performance while maintaining reliability. The pistol version of the SMD is particularly helpful for longer range sessions with more rounds down range. Because it is so light, coming in at 1.2 ounces, it won't contribute to wrist fatigue over a longer shooting session the way a suppressor would. Additionally, the profile has been designed to preserve iron sight functionality. By reducing felt concussion and pushing blast forward, the pistol SMD makes for a more comfortable shooting experience without weighing down your firearm.
Out here doing a little bit of testing with our AR lower. It's a polymer composite, shaping up to be about 1 pound stripped right now. It's still in development, of course. But thought we'd go ahead and get a little bit more footage of the SMD standard. Shout out to our local meteorologist for this weather report today. We'll see how it goes.
Every model in the StealthBlast SMD lineup is legal to own, easy to install, and not classified as a suppressor. Always check your local laws and remember, proper hearing detection should always be used, even with suppressors. From rifles to pistols, from the range to the field, the StealthBlast SMD lineup is built to perform. Visit Deer Creek Arms to learn more and get yours today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.